Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get the Robinhood Gold Card. So you just have to go to the Robinhood official website. So on the Robinhood credit card apply um, website. So from here, here's how you can get the gold card. So you have to apply for the Robinhood Gold Card credit card. So to apply for the Robinhood Gold credit card, you will first need to join the wait list. So you will get a confirmation email once you've joined a wait list, and then they will let you know as soon as you can apply. Now, you will receive an email and a push notification from the Robinhood application once you're able to apply for the Robinhood Gold credit card. So what you're going to do next is just select the Get the Gold card. So you just have to open the Robinhood application, and then you can then start your application from there. Then you can also choose to start your application directly in the spending tab. So the application is only available in the application and isn't currently available on the website. So if you have any questions during the application process, you can select the Get Help in your application contact and credit support team directly. So that's basically how you can get the Robinhood Gold Card. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!